Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub, the place where we break down the latest bikes, from cruisers to choppers and everything in between. Today, we're diving into the rebellious and jaw-dropping 2025 Honda Fury chopper. If you've ever dreamed of owning a chopper that merges classic custom style with modern performance, stick around. This one's a masterpiece. The Honda Fury is back for 2025, and it's better than ever. With its stretched-out frame, low-slung profile, and a long 71.2-inch wheelbase, this bike screams custom-built right off the factory floor. The Fury combines iconic chopper aesthetics with Honda's signature refinement. Look at this 21-inch front wheel and the teardrop fuel tank. Pure artistry. The polished chrome accents on the engine and exhaust give it that old-school bling, while the new dual-tone paint options, including the stunning matte black pearl and candy red metallic, make it impossible to go unnoticed on the road. Under the hood, or should I say, between the frame rails, the 2025 Honda Fury packs a 1512cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This powerhouse delivers a smooth 75 horsepower and 85 Nm of torque, perfect for cruising effortlessly at highway speeds or enjoying a spirited ride through town. The engine is paired with a 5-speed transmission, offering silky shifts and a well-balanced power delivery. Plus, the fuel injection ensures responsive throttle control, whether you're starting up on a chilly morning or cruising under the summer sun. The Fury isn't just about looks and power, it's also about making your ride as comfortable as it is stylish. The low 26.9-inch seat height makes it accessible to a wide range of riders, while the stretched handlebars and forward mount foot pegs give you that classic cruiser stance. For 2025, Honda has added modern tech, including an updated digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to monitor navigation, calls, and music from your smartphone. And let's not forget the LED lighting all around, headlamp, indicators, and tail light, for a crisp, modern touch. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Honda Fury comes in at a base price of $12,999, making it one of the most affordable factory-built choppers in its class. Add in Honda's legendary reliability, and you're getting exceptional value for money. If you loved this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Bike Culture Hub, and let us know in the comments. Would you take the Fury for a spin? Until next time, ride safe and keep chasing those horizons.